new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Sparrow. Okay, so this is a poem of a sparrow that tells the poet about her. Okay, about her things, what she do, where she lives. Okay, so this is a bird. You have seen this bird, sparrow. It is very small and it is in brown color. Okay, so in Hindi we call it Gorya. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Before that, I will show you a picture of sparrow. Okay. Okay, we are on chapter number 4, that is sparrow. Okay, so now you can see a bird sparrow as I have shown you the picture of sparrow. Okay, now this is an activity that we are going to do now. So take out your pencil and be ready. So I am going to read it now. This bird has to return to its nest. What is nest? Nest मतलब घोंसला. Okay, nest means घोंसला. Okay, so to take care of its egg. So what she is going to do? She want to take care of her eggs. Okay, ये घोंसले में आप eggs देख रहे हो, अंडे. हाँ, तो ये स्पैरो को उसके घर तक पहुंचना है. Okay, so what we have to do? Help it reach the nest by finding a way through the maze. Maze मतलब ये भूल भुलैया दिख रहा है रास्ता. Okay, the bird has forgotten the way. She don't know how to reach. Okay, so what you will do? You will help her to reach the nest. So let's start finding her way. So we have to begin from here. Okay, so start finding. So you go from here, then yes, we have reached here now. See, you have made the bird to reach her nest. Okay, so we are done with this activity. Now we'll read the poem. Okay, now we are going to read the poem. Okay, first I will read poem for you and then I will explain you. So listen carefully how I am reading the poem. Okay, so read this poem about a sparrow who tells the poet many things. Okay, so what sparrow is doing? She is saying something to the poet. Okay, so let's sing. Sparrow sits in the mango tree and sings sweetly down to me. She tells me of her cozy nest in the tree she likes the best. With her is her sparrow mate. Both of them sit and wait. They have 4 small eggs, you see. That soon will be their family. They'll live together in their cozy nest in the tree that they love best. Happy in her mango tree, sparrow sings her news to me. Okay, now I am going to explain you this poem word by word. Listen carefully. Okay. Sparrow sits in the mango tree. Where is she sitting? She is sitting on the mango tree. You can see so many mangoes are there. Okay, this is a mango tree and she is sitting on the mango tree. वो sparrow कहाँ बैठी है? Mango tree पर बैठी है. Okay, and sings sweetly down to me. What she is doing? She is singing. दिख रहा है? वो गाना गा रही है ना. बर्ड्स क्या करते हैं सुबह सुबह ऐसे आवाज़ करते हैं ची 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 ची. सो व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग? द स्पैरो इज सिंगिंग स्वीटली. स्वीटली मतलब एकदम मधुर आवाज़ में वो गाना गा रही है. ओके. शी टेल्स मी ऑफ हर कोजी नेस्ट. शी टेल्स मी ऑफ हर कोजी नेस्ट. व्हाट इज़ कोजी? कोजी मीन्स इट इज़ अ स्मॉल कंफर्टेबल प्लेस. कोजी मीन्स आपको जहाँ आराम लगता है ना वहाँ पे आप एकदम कोजी होके बैठ जाते हो. ओके, सो दैट इज़ कोजी. एकदम आपको अच्छा लगता है बैठने में, आप एकदम फ्री होके बैठ जाते हो. सो शी इज़ इन हर कोजी नेस्ट. ओके, तो ये उसकी एकदम कंफर्टेबल प्लेस है, वहाँ वो रहती है स्पैरो. ओके, इट इज़ अ कोजी नेस्ट. इन द ट्री शी लाइक्स द बेस्ट. इन द ट्री शी लाइक्स द बेस्ट मतलब उसकी ये फेवरेट ट्री है, मैंगो ट्री उसकी फेवरेट है. यू कैन सी हियर शी हैज बिल्ड हर नेस्ट ऑन द मैंगो ट्री विच इज हर फेवरेट ट्री. ओके, देन with her is her sparrow mate. What is sparrow mate? Mate मतलब partner. Okay, you can see a partner, another bird is there, another bird is there, you can see here. So they both are taking care of their nest and eggs. Okay, so both of them sit and wait. What they are doing? They are waiting for their eggs to hatch. Hatch मतलब फूटने के लिए. अंडे फूटेंगे तो उसमें से क्या निकलेंगे? स्पैरो के यंग वंस निकलेंगे, उनके बेबीज निकलेंगे. ओके, सो दे आर सिटिंग एंड वेटिंग टू देयर एग्स. ओके, सो दे हैव 4 small eggs. You see how many eggs are there? 4. 1 2 3 4 है ना. You can see here 4 eggs are there. Then that soon will be their family. जब ये फूटेंगे तो इसमें से क्या निकलेंगे? छोटे छोटे बेबी निकलेंगे. एंड दैट बेबी विल बी देयर फैमिली. ओके, सो दे विल बी ऑल टुगेदर लिविंग ऑन दिस ट्री. देन they live together in their cozy nest. So what they'll do after this baby comes out, what they will do? They will live here in their cozy nest. Okay, in the tree that they loved best. Okay, in the tree that they love best मतलब इनकी ये favorite tree है. Okay, this is their favorite tree, so they will love to stay here. Okay, they will love to stay here with all together. Okay, then happy in her mango tree. She will be very happy with her babies, with her partner. She will be very happy living here on the mango tree. Okay, then sparrow sings her news to me. So what all this saying? ये सब जो स्पैरो ने बताया ना, शी इज़ इन हर कोजी नेस्ट, शी लाइक्स द मैंगो ट्री एंड शी इज़ विथ हर मेट and she is having 4 eggs and she will live together after the young ones will come out, so they all will live together on the mango tree. So all this sparrow is saying to the poet. Okay, all this news sparrow is saying to the poet. Okay, wow, this was a very beautiful poem about a sparrow. So many things she has told us, where she lives, which is her favorite tree, and what she is going to do, what she is doing, and how many eggs she is having. So all this she is sharing with us. Okay, so now we are going to write some new words from this chapter and word buddy. Okay, so I am going to share you now this, and you have to write it in your English notebook. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here are some new words. Okay, so write down in your English notebook, write the chapter name sparrow, class word, and write today's date, and write first word, it is return. Okay, return means वापस आना. Okay, या कुछ वापस करना. फिर nest, nest means घोंसला. eggs, what are eggs? eggs means अंडे. reach मतलब पहुँचना. Okay, you have to reach somewhere. maze means भूल भुलैया. sparrow is a bird. sing मतलब गाना गाना. sweetly means very nicely, मधुर आवाज में. Okay, then cozy means comfortable. Then best, then mate is partner. Then wait means रुक जाना. Okay, wait, they are waiting for their eggs to hatch. मतलब वो क्या कर रहे हैं? वो वेट करते हैं ना अपने बेबी को देखने के लिए. सो दे आर वेटिंग, सो इट इज़ वेट. देन soon means जल्दी. Then family, it will be a family all together, so this is together. live means रहना, where they are living on the mango tree. Then happy means खुश. Then news, they are saying something about them. Then love means अच्छा लगना, प्यार करना. And partner, okay, partner means another person or bird. Then word buddy is word meaning. So what is the meaning of cozy? a small comfortable place. Okay, a small comfortable place. Then mate means partner. Okay, then nest. What is nest? These two I have given you extra word meaning, so we have to write this also. Nest, a home that birds can build to live in and to lay eggs. Okay, नेस्ट का मतलब क्या है? इट इज़ अ होम ऑफ बर्ड. ओके, बर्ड्स अपना घोंसला बनाते क्यों? रहने के लिए और अंडे देने के लिए. ओके, देन न्यूज़. व्हाट इज़ न्यूज़? न्यूज़ मतलब टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट दैट हैज़ हैपन. ओके, अब बर्ड स्पैरो क्या कर रही है? वो न्यूज़ दे रही है ना, अपने बारे में बता रही है ना पोएट को. सो द मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूज़ इज दिस. And write this in your English notebook. Okay, now we are done with the new words and word buddy. So, bye for now. See you tomorrow and complete this. Okay, complete this work and read this poem. Okay, read very carefully and practice very well. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.